Okay, we are playing this song. This is a very old Madonna song, and you know what? I just discovered it again. Isn't it the best? Does it just make you want to dance? We are, okay, whatever you're doing, put away. Pay attention, because you are going to want what's in this box from London. Okay, this brand is called Hayley Menzies from London. It's gorgeous. So wait till you see. Look at this incredible. This is a jacquard cardigan. Look at the work on this. I think it's incredible. This should have a belt, right? Whoa! Okay, look at the belt. You know what? Just the song. Oh, this song. Oh my God! Okay, call me now, please. I love it. You gotta feel the weight. Hayley Menzies. They're in the $600 price point. Oh. Insane. It's insane. Insane. You know that company that I love, Alan. Their sweaters are in the $3,000 price range. They're all jacquard as well. This is inspired. This is magnificent. This is insane. Wear this to a holiday party. Wear this with white jeans when you're away. Wear it with a short mini skirt and boots. Wear it open. Wear it nonchalantly over a dress. Wear it with jeans, obviously. Gorgeous. One more Hayley Menzies. I wish you could see Constance while taping this. She is dancing to this song. Okay, this jacquard is the more classic of all of them. For those of you who don't like all that fuss going on, this with a leather pair of pants, belted, gorgeous. This is not gonna last. You know it's not gonna last. Okay, call me. Oh, gallerycouture.com, but 516-627-5333. I'm gonna continue dancing. Goodbye. Okay, Constance.